Good evening, and welcome back to Physical Education for the 2021-2022 school year. My name is Mr. Beyer, and I will be your child's PE teacher. Here's a little bit about me. This is my fourth year teaching elementary physical education in Harrison, and I teach at both Preston and Purchase schools. The mission of the elementary school physical education department is to provide students with a safe and positive environment in which they can acquire a foundation of movement skills. Through this process, students will gain confidence in their ability as movers and experience the enjoyment and value that can come from physical activity. Students will learn why physical activity is important and how they can successfully sustain a physically active lifestyle. Being prepared for PE includes that children have properly fitting sneakers to participate in physical activities, our masks are worn during indoor PE classes, and our students are always encouraged to bring water bottles to class as they will be given water breaks when necessary. Our areas of learning and development include cooperation, locomotor movements, eye-hand coordination, foot skills, striking, whether that be with our hands or with implements, health-related fitness, rhythm and dance, gymnastics, and circus arts. Appropriate sporting behavior and personal and social responsibility are embedded into every unit that we teach. Assessment in physical education. Our students are assessed on a scale of 1 to 4 in the following categories: personal and social responsibility, movement concepts and motor skills, as well as their knowledge of these concepts and motor skills. Number 1 is beginning, and number 2 is developing. A 3 meets grade level expectations, and a 4 exceeds grade level expectations. Thank you for your time watching this video, and I look forward to making physical education a valuable experience for your child. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Creating a positive environment for your child is my priority, and questions are always welcome. My email is buyerl@harrisoncsd.org. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'm looking forward to a great school year.